First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take 2 large foil squares. Using a cheese grater, grate the zucchini. Toss the grated zucchini with half of the pesto. Divide the pesto zucchini evenly between the foil squares. Place the salmon on top, then spread the rest of the pesto on each salmon fillet. In a large bowl, mix together cherry tomatoes, garlic slices, balsamic vinegar, fresh basil, salt, black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Spread the vegetable mixture around each salmon fillet and fold up the foil into baskets. Place the foil baskets on a rimmed baking sheet and place into the oven for 20 minutes. Serve in or out of foil baskets.